All right, parents, this is the big lesson here. This is where we're going to get a little bit complicated. So we've been dealing with lighting a light bulb and trying to get the light bulb to work. We've taken a battery and we've kind of hooked it up, maybe using some leads here, and we've gotten a light bulb to work. This is something they should already have a pretty good understanding with, the idea that you need a complete circuit in order to make this thing go. And then if you have a complete circuit, your light bulb is going to light up. Today, we're going to have several different challenges. Now, I'm guessing this is going to take more than one day. This is going to take several days for us to get through this, this one lesson. Because what we're really going to be looking at is how can you hook up a second light bulb. And the first challenge is this: they just have to make 2 light bulbs light up. And I will tell you that 90% of them, if not 100% of them, are going to do what's called a series circuit, where the electricity comes out of the battery, it goes into a light bulb. Just put one here. And then from this light bulb, it goes into the other light bulb. Let's see if I can't put this in here. And then after this light bulb, it goes back to the battery. And I think you can see that these are lighting up. They're very, very dim, but they are lighting up. So I've just lit up 2 light bulbs. Now, this is called a series circuit because there's one path, one method for the charge to get around the circuit. Let them do that, okay? See if they can light up 2 light bulbs. Can they light up 3 light bulbs? And what they're going to notice is that the more light bulbs they put on here, the dimmer they get. They can actually maybe figure out that if you can hook up a solar panel in series with another solar panel to get bigger light bulbs. Even a solar panel with the battery. These can be added up in series. The other way, so the next challenge is, can you hook it up a different way? Can you hook it up in a way that's slightly different than what you just did before? That's called parallel. So parallel, the difference with parallel is there's actually 2 separate paths. So if I have one light bulb lit up, just like we did originally, this is my original circuit, it's just one path run there. So now I want to hook up a second light bulb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this second light bulb on a completely different path than what we had before. And I'm just going to hook this also directly to the battery. So if I can just connect it right here to where the battery is releasing, sending it out to that one, I can now light both light bulbs. And you'll notice they're a lot brighter. So essentially it comes out of the battery, goes through the second light bulb. Or it goes out of the battery and through the first light bulb. That's 2 separate ways to hook up a light bulb. You can hook them up in series, meaning one path, or parallel, meaning 2. And you can notice all kinds of cool things. If I shut the switch off or disconnect this light bulb, this one still lights up because it's on its own separate path. That's not the same thing with series. So there's lots of different things that students are going to be experimenting with in this set of challenges, I guess, in this lesson. So can we get this idea that one single path is series and more than one path is what we call parallel? And so that is going to take us some time. We want students to kind of investigate this themselves, see if they can't make sense out of things themselves and come up with their own conclusions. So it's going to get kind of messy, but it'll be kind of cool. And I think in the end, they're going to start to come up with different ways they can actually think about how they can put their little diorama of their study place at home together, either in series or in parallel. We're also going to be, maybe introducing some of the solar panels into this. Can we replace the battery with a solar panel in series or parallel? And how does that work with our light bulbs? So, or even LEDs. Do LEDs tend to work better than the light bulbs, or do the light bulbs work better than the LEDs? So they can kind of come up with some different ideas based on putting things together now that they have a pretty good base understanding of what's going on. And like I said, this lesson is not designed to be done in a day. This lesson's designed to be done over several days maybe one challenge per day, and give them 20 minutes or a half hour to kind of fight through how that works and kind of sketch it out. Okay? Have a great time. And if you have any questions, please contact your teacher, or you can contact me at likescience2020@gmail.com, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like science and you like this video, feel free to like this video below and subscribe for future updates.